Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Voice not available in your country. So the first method you can try is using a VPN, also known as a virtual private network. A VPN helps mask your real location and makes it look like you're browsing the internet from a different country. In this case, you can use a VPN to appear as if you're browsing from the United States where Google Voice is available. A great option for this is NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. Once you connect to a US server using NordVPN, try accessing Google Voice again. So the second method is to get a US-based virtual phone number. There are some online services that offer virtual numbers from the United States. You can register for one of these services and use the US number to sign up for Google Voice. This helps bypass the country restrictions during the setup process. Another option is using a Google Workspace account, previously known as a G Suite. Google Workspace offers additional features including broader access to Google Voice. If you have a business or education account through Google Workspace, you may be able to use Google Voice even if you are in a country where the regular version is not available. And finally, if none of these options work for you, you consider using an alternative service app like Skype. WhatsApp, or Telegram offer similar calling and messaging features and are available in most countries. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.